Good day, guys. Welcome to today's lesson on Start Pro Connect edition. Today we are going to learn how to model a analyze and design a reinforced concrete wall, which is a shear wall. So we are going to create a very simple structure. So open the structure wizard. Yes, frame model, bay frame. So the height is 9 meters. Yes. So 3. Okay. Apply. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to remove some beams and columns which I'm not going to use, which will definitely be representing the shear wall. So I'm assuming my shear wall is located at this point. Okay. So delete. Yes. So the next thing I can see, this is it. So I'll go to each floor, this front view, highlight it, new view. Okay. Display structure. Then I'll come to this point, geometry, parametric model. Yes. Then add. Okay. So I'll add my wall in this particular arrange. Okay. So mesh to, yes. Undefined, I want it as wall. The meshing method, I want it as standard. So I can reduce my target size. That is 0.5. Or I can reduce it myself when I place it here. So if I want to add opening, I can select this to add my opening, but I'm not adding any opening for now. So I'll click OK. So that is the first wall. I can close this. Then add the second wall. This is the second wall. Okay. Also 0.5. Okay. Yes. So if I want to edit the target size, I can come to this point and edit it, maybe 0.9, and choose what I want. But for now, I want 0.5, so I leave it. Okay. So then the next one. Okay. Yes, wall. Okay. So I'll come and change 0.5. Yes. Okay. So the last wall. So add. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So I can see my walls. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to have to do now is I'm going to have to merge the mesh. So merge mesh, merge it, merge, and merge. Okay. So I can see my wall in 3D. That's for this particular floor. So I'm going back to my geometry. Okay, so I'm going to delete the columns initially assigned to it. So select this, select this, select this, to make it easy for me. Delete. Then highlight this, then delete, then also highlight this, then delete. Okay, so we are done with the first floor. Let's go to the next floor. Okay, so I need this floor. New view. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, go back, is my geometry parametric model, then create new ones. Okay, just minimize this. Okay, so come back here. Now I'm going to add okay, walls. Okay. Then the next one I'm going to do is for the next side. You can leave it like this, as small as it is. The smaller the mesh, the more accurate it is. Okay. Okay. Then the last. Okay. Okay. So I'm not going to create mesh for the last floor. I'll just assume it as a roof, which there's no shear wall on. So I'm going to delete the column that is on this level. So I should go to highlight it. Okay, so I'm done with the columns. Next thing I'll do is go back to my parametric model and merge them. Okay, so merge mesh. So I'm going to minimize this and merge this also. Merge it, minimize this, merge this, then minimize this, merge this. Okay, so I've merged this already, so no problem. Okay, so once I'm done, the next thing I'll do now is to assign property. So for my property, I'm going to assign 0.23 by 0.23. Assign to view, assign to view. Then my place sequence, I'm going to assign 0.2. Add, close, assign to view, assign to view. Okay, so you can see our structure in 3D. I'm not going to assign shear wall to the roof part. I'm just assuming, I just want you to explain how to design a shear wall on Start Pro. So the next thing we do now is go to support, create support, fixed support, add, close. Let's go to the front view. The base nodes, assign to selected nodes, assign. Yeah, okay. Then we go to loading. So this add, first is the dead load, add, the next is the live load, add, close. So under the dead load, I have the self weight, then I have member load, minus 10, add, then I have floor load, minus 6, minimum 3, maximum 9, add, close. So this assign to view, assign to view, sorry, assign to parallel. So select parallel to, okay, exit plane, minimum 3, maximum 6. Okay, so select the beams within that range. So assign to selected beams, assign, yes. Then the floor load is there, the live load at minus 3. Okay, so minus 3, 3 and 6. Okay, so I know the next thing I'm going to do now is to create load combination, and I'm using the Euro code, so I'm going to use 1.35 dead and 1.5 for my live. Okay, so add, close, then analysis, define command, add, close, then run the analysis to save, then run the analysis. So you can decide to put beams or column at the edge, but for this case I just want to analyze the shear wall only. So while we're running our analysis, let's wait for the result to come. 0 0 0 1 in one note, so we can go to our post processing. So I'm just interested in this load combination. Okay. Okay, so I can turn off my deflection, then I'll see my moment in the z direction. I can see this, I can see my shear in this direction, then I can also see my pleat results, so maximum absolute, how stressed it is. Okay, yes, I can see how stressed it is. My, then I can use these values to design. So let's go back to advanced concrete designer, that's the RCDC. Okay, so this is it. So it takes a little while for it to open, because this is the new way we design concrete on staad now. So projects, let's say project 1, clients 2, engineer 3, design code, I'm using this. Now I want to design only the column and the wall, so I'll select this, then create new project. So it's going to take a little while for it to load. Going to load the basic load cases, the load combination, we'll bring the level data, the load data, the load coordinates, the supports, member connectivity, and all these properties, the section data, frame section properties. So it takes a little while for it to load. So to get the members, the member groups, the grid lines, the beam continuity detection, and the unrestricted lengths. So we'll wait for it to bring out these properties for us. Takes about 2 minutes for it to load. So still waiting. Okay, so it's about to be ready. Okay, so this is the plan. Okay, still putting. Now this is the plan. This is story 1, this is story 2, story 3. There's no wall on story 3 because we didn't assign wall, so you can see story 2 and story 1. So for my concrete, I want to use 2530, 2530, and 2530. For my steel, I want to use 460, 460, and 460. For my cover, I want to use 40, 40. The next thing you do is go to settings, reinforcement settings. For my wall, I want to use my column, I want to use 12 and 16, or 12 and 20. For my shear wall, I want to use minimum 10 and maximum 16. Stirrup, I want to use 10. You can check this out. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create my load. I'm going to import my load case from staad. So I go to settings, basic load cases. The first one is the dead load. The next one is the live load. So bring these two in. Okay. So after that, I'm going to add my analysis from staad. Yes, 1.35 and 1.5. Okay. So once I'm done with that, I'll start the auto design, and we are good to go. So you're going to design both the columns and the wall. Okay, so we can see, let's see if any of them failed. Okay, so you can see our wall, that is CW1. You can see them. This is the level 0 to 3, and the next one is 3 to 6. So you can see all our walls. Okay, so 200 by 300. So it's telling me that I should provide 20, 40, 10, 20 to 10, and 10 to 10. So you can calculate it, just right click and you see the quick section. Okay, then the stirrup is at 150. So once you open it, you can see it. So this is what it is. Okay, the thickness is 200 and this is what it's telling you to provide. Okay, so you can see it. This is the provision it's giving you to provide. Yeah, so you can also see your columns also giving you 40, 12 at 220, 225 center to center. Okay, yes. So thank you for watching today's video on how to model, analyze, and design a shear wall. If you have any question, you can please drop it in the comment section. Thank you very much.